Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Culture. This channel will contain those programs whose explanation is either not present on YouTube or the explanation is present but not up to the mark. So without wasting time, let's get started. So today's question is the count good nodes in binary tree, which is also the daily question of 17th August 2021. Okay, so the question is count good nodes in binary tree, and it is also a very good question. Yeah. So let's talk about what we have to do in this question and what we will be given. Okay, so first of all we will be given the root node of the tree, and what we have to do is we have to give the count of those nodes whose there are no nodes with value greater than that node. Yeah, I think that you would have got with that statement only, that if in the path from root to x there are no nodes with a value greater than x. So what this is saying is that from its path from this node to the root there should not be another node whose value is greater than this node, like 3. So from 3 to this root node there should not be any node whose value is greater than this node, that is 3. So yeah, it is a good node, but for 1 it is greater than this value, 3 is greater than 1, so it is not a good node. Okay, so what we have to return, we have to return the count of all the good nodes. Okay, so what we will do, okay, this question seems like a pre-order traversal, and what we have to pass. Okay, so look, we don't have to check for all the value of nodes. If the value of the x node is greater than the maximum value till the path, it will be greater than all nodes. Okay, so the key point here is that we don't have to check with all the nodes, we have to check with the maximum nodes. Okay, so let's try to code it, and what we will do, we will do pre-order traversal and we will pass the maximum value earlier or of including that, and we will check if the next node or the x node's value is greater than maximum or equal, we will increase the count by 1. Okay, so there are two methods to solve this, and the first one is taking the global variable as count and then increasing the count once, but the global variable solution is not generally preferred. Okay, so we will take the count and return in the program only, and we will not use any global variable. Okay, so this program is a very bit simple, and let's try to code it. And what we will do is I will return the count value. Okay, let's name the function get good, and I will pass root, and the maximum till root is root's value. Okay, so root dot val. Okay, and here I will made a function get good, and what will be parameters here, the parameters are tree node root and int max. Let's take it. Okay, and what we will do is I will first of all check if root is equal to null, then return 0. Okay, and if root equal to null, return 0. Otherwise what I will do, I will update the max value, update or check, compare that the max value will be max in that path. Okay, so max here will be max and root dot val. Okay, and then what I will do, I will return, and I will check if root dot val is greater than or equal to max, then it will be 1, otherwise 0, and plus what, plus get good root dot left comma max plus get good root dot right comma max. Okay, so yeah, I think it should run now. And let's make the bracket here. Okay, without bracket it will also run, but it looks good. Okay, so let's try to run it once and check if it is running on. Okay, oh, look here, it's my mistake. The return type is will be int, and I typed it as void. Yeah, it's executing, running, and let's try to submit it and check. Okay, it is accepted, so yeah, it's good. Okay, so let's try to dry run it once. What I will do, I will pass the root node 3 here. Okay, yeah, and it will be passed here, and I will update max. What is max? Max is root.well, and again I am passing root.well, so it will be root.well, and root.well is greater than or equal to, so I will add 1, and I will then pass the to check its left side, left tree, and the right tree, and I will add those good nodes into this good node, and I will return the total output. Okay, so yeah, I think this question was a bit easy, but it was daily question, so I thought to make a video on it. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That was today's video. Hope you have liked. If you have liked, please like the video and do comment if you have any doubts or have any suggestions, or do you or you want to, or you don't have got a question, any question, and you want me to solve it. Okay, and please subscribe the channel, as it motivates the creators like us to do more hard work, and ring the bell icon so that you can get all the updates. Okay, so yeah, till then, happy coding and Jai Hind.